Welcome to English Learners, where language knows no boundaries, and every conversation is an opportunity to learn and grow. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply passionate about mastering English, you've come to the right place. Subscribe to English Learners today, and let's embark on a journey of language discovery together. Welcome aboard.
Hey, Sarah. How's your English learning going?
Hi, Emily. It's been a bit of a roller coaster, to be honest. Some days I feel like I'm making progress, and other days, I feel like I'm stuck in a rut.
I totally get that. English can be tricky sometimes, especially with all the different grammar rules and vocabulary.
Exactly. And don't even get me started on pronunciation. Sometimes I feel like I'll never get it right.
Oh, I know what you mean. But hey, we're in this together. Have you tried any new techniques to improve?
Well, I've been trying to immerse myself more in English media. Watching TV shows and reading books in English has helped a bit.
That's a great idea. I've found that reading aloud really helps me with pronunciation. It's like practicing speaking without the pressure of a conversation.
I haven't thought of that. Maybe I'll give it a try. Do you have any other tips?
One thing that's helped me a lot is finding a language exchange partner. I practice speaking English with them, and they practice their native language with me. It's a win-win.
That sounds really helpful. Where did you find your language exchange partner?
I actually found mine on a language learning app. There are tons of people out there looking to practice languages, so it's pretty easy to find someone.
That's awesome. I'll have to check it out. Thanks for the tip, Emily.
Of course. And remember, learning a language is a journey. There will be ups and downs, but as long as we keep pushing forward, we'll get there eventually.
Thanks for the encouragement, Emily. I'm feeling more motivated already.
Thank you so much for watching this video, English learners. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are also learning English, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me, and I'm excited to continue this language learning journey with you all. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for fluency. Until next time, happy learning.